and welcome to my channel. I'm the Vegan Bossa. Today I will prepare one of my favorite snack recipes, the granola bars. The today granola bar recipe is made with oats, quinoa and mixed nuts, which means the perfect combination of carbohydrates, proteins and healthy fats, which makes it the perfect and the most healthiest snack alternative ever. So let's prepare them. I will prepare two different types of granola bars. Let's start by preparing the mixture which will serve as a base for both types of granola bars. Start chopping a handful of mixed nuts. I use usually almonds, cashews, hazelnuts and walnuts, but you can use also other nuts. For some extra flavor, you can toast the nuts before cutting. Then take a big mixing bowl and start putting all the other ingredients, which are 2 cups of rolled oats and 2 cups of puffed quinoa. And at the end, add the nuts. Mix until the ingredients are well combined. Then take another mixing bowl and let's start combining all the liquid ingredients. Pour 1 cup of agave syrup. I use agave syrup because this makes my granola bars very soft. And then 1 cup of sugar, a little bit of vanilla extract, and to make my granola bars chewy, I use usually almond butter, 2 tablespoons, or you can use also peanut butter, and a little bit of salt. Then start mixing the ingredients until the sugar dissolves completely. Then mix together the solid and the liquid ingredients. Mix it until they are well combined. Then divide the granola mixture in 2 parts. One we will use for the first type of granola bars. For the first recipe, I will use dates and coconut flakes. Take 4 or 5 dates and chop them into small bites. Then add it to the mixture. Add the coconut flakes and mix everything well. Then prepare for baking. Line a baking pan with parchment, leaving some extra parchment to hang over the sides. Pour the mixture into the baking pan and take care to press it very good. The harder and longer you press, the less is the chance you will end up with granola instead of granola bars. The second combination of granola bars that I will prepare is made with chocolate. Add to the half of the granola mixture that we have prepared before 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder and 1 cup of small chocolate chips and mix them well. And then prepare a baking pan with the parchment like we did for the first combination of granola bars. Pour the mixture into the pan and take care to press it good. Bake the bars for 15 to 20 minutes. After baking, leave the bars to completely cool down in the pan. The bars will firm up as they cool and it will be very easy to cut them later. Cut the bars using a very sharp knife. A very useful tip to know is that you can store the granola bars between layers of wax paper or I use sometimes parchment paper in an airtight container for up to 1 week or maximum 10 days. To make them easier to slip into backpacks and lunch boxes, you can also wrap each bar individually in wax paper. I hope you really enjoyed these granola bar recipes, and if you like this video and you want to receive other video recipes, please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you and see you the next time.